Take responsibility for the sound you consume. Did you know that the sound you consume can affect your mood, your hormones, your state of mind, your emotions? So I'm working with high vibration music, different styles for different people because different people do get affected by music differently. So I have a easy listening, and I also have the high vibe mix, and I also have a dance mix. You can check out my channel. I'll add a clip here. Please do like and share if you like the content. It helps to spread it around so other people can benefit. And enjoy the clip.
I am loving awareness, watching all things rise and pass. I am loving awareness, holding every shadow fast. We are all true, we are all here. The wholeness of the universe is love. I am Nori Salahe, Lumina Heya no, Samarina Heya Lumahe. Take responsibility for the sounds you gather. Every note becomes a seed. Every rhythm shapes the inner garden. Every vibration helps us breathe.